Everyone, Mixed Media Girl here. So on Facebook, I have what are called supporters, which is an awesome group of people that contribute monthly to help with my artistic endeavors. So in today's pour, we're going to do a pour entirely chosen by them. They picked the colors and the technique. So it's actually going to be all metallic. The colors chosen were a pearl white, so that's the pearl white, gold, a metallic purple, fairy tale blue, which I hope that this qualifies. I kind of mixed up my own with some metallic turquoise and metallic white, and then a pretty green. So unfortunately, I only have a couple greens mixed up right now, and the prettiest one is a metallic, so that's what we're gonna get. So I guess it's just going to be all metallic colors. That's the green. I think that's really pretty. So I'm going to get more white and blue in there. So that purple will give us some really nice contrast. And I'm going to be using a 12 by 12 canvas. So this should be plenty of paint. And then I don't remember if I already said it, but they chose a colander pour. So this one, I think I got from the dollar store. I don't entirely remember. There's multiple ways you can do a colander pour. You can pour the colors individually through here, or you can do it all together like this as a dirty pour, which I personally think the outcome is better. All right. Now that's going to just drain through. I let it sit for a while. I'm going to actually add in just a little bit more purple. Okay, and I am going to bring you down real quick for a side view. So here's how that looks coming out, and it's just slowly seeping out there. So basically just let it sit and let it seep out as much as humanly possible. And then we'll come back and take the colander off and finish with the pour. All right, I've let it drain out for quite a while. I'm gonna go ahead and just slowly lift up on the colander here, letting the rest of the paint drain out there in the middle. And as you can probably guess, that will leave that pattern in the middle there. See that? That's pretty cool. All right. There is still paint left in the colander here, so I'm going to kind of just scrape a little bit of it out and use it on the sides here, because why not? Helps to have as much extra paint as possible. So I put that purple in last, so I've got a lot of purple there at the bottom. This will just help the paint to flow as I tilt it. And I always recommend wipe off as much of the paint as possible and then wash your colander right away. If the paint dries in there, it's quite hard to get it out. All right, let's go ahead and tilt. This is a really fun one to do on a strainer too. And there's no wrong way to tilt. If you want to maintain your pattern, then it's best to kind of go towards the corners and then back to the middle. Toward a corner, back to the middle. But you don't have to. You can go in any which way that you want. Right now we do have a pretty cool flower pattern, but as we tilt a bit more, no matter what, that middle is going to spread out a bit. So it's kind of, who knows what we'll end up with. And I usually on things like this like to have it end up off center. But I'm just gonna keep slowly tilting this back and forth, and then we'll see how I feel about it in the end. Okay, so at this point I could leave it, or I actually really like this side over here. So I do think I am going to bring it back this way. This is just a personal preference. I feel like some people will probably end up upset with it, but that's okay. Like I said, I like it off center. So I'm going to run it off on this end. Hopefully don't end up regretting it. But of course, if this is your painting and you're doing it, you can leave it at any stage that you would like. Okay, there we go. I think this is a really pretty color combination. All right, let's let it sit and then we will come back for our close-up. All right, let's do our close-up here. I think these colors together are gorgeous. I'm going to definitely do some more paintings with this color combo specifically. I really like that blue, and I think it contrasts very well with that purple. And then we got little bits of the gold peeking out and the green. So thank you so much to my supporters for picking these awesome colors and this technique. If you're interested in becoming one of my Facebook supporters, you just go to my Facebook page. There's a link at the top, and I think a link on every single video as well. And for anyone worried about wasting paint, I just want to show you under here is a silicone mat. So that paint right there dries. I can peel it right off, and I can use it to make all kinds of things. Necklaces, bookmarks, magnets, stickers, whatever. And you can find lots of videos on that on my YouTube or Facebook. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time.